Hey there, financial friends. Have you ever dipped your toes into the world of robo-advisors, specifically StashAway? These automated investment platforms are all the rage, promising a hassle-free path to growing your wealth. But what happens if life throws you a curveball and you need access to that cash you so diligently invested? Can you simply withdraw your money from StashAway, or are you stuck in some kind of investment oasis? That's the question we're diving deep into today. So, buckle up, and let's explore the ins and outs of withdrawing from StashAway. First things first, the good news: yes, you absolutely can withdraw money from StashAway. It's your money, after all. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before you hit that withdraw button. Understanding withdrawal fees. StashAway, like most investment platforms, charges a small withdrawal fee. This fee helps cover the administrative costs associated with processing your request. The exact fee amount depends on the amount you're withdrawing and your specific StashAway plan. Generally, the larger the withdrawal, the lower the percentage fee. Now, here's where things get interesting. StashAway operates on a portfolio rebalancing strategy. This means they automatically adjust your investments to maintain your target asset allocation. So, if you withdraw a significant amount, StashAway might need to sell some of your holdings to rebalance your portfolio. Depending on the market conditions, these sales could trigger capital gains taxes. Capital gains tax trap. Capital gains taxes are levied on the profit you make when you sell an investment. So, if StashAway sells some of your appreciating assets to rebalance after your withdrawal, you might owe taxes on those gains. It's important to factor this potential tax burden into your withdrawal decision. The waiting game. Another thing to consider is the withdrawal processing time. StashAway doesn't offer instant withdrawals. There's typically a waiting period of a few business days for your request to be reviewed and processed. The exact time frame can vary depending on the amount you're withdrawing and your account activity. Planning is key. So, while withdrawing from StashAway is possible, it's not an immediate fix for short-term cash needs. Remember, StashAway is designed for long-term wealth building. If you think you might need access to your money in the near future, it's wise to keep an emergency fund separate from your StashAway investments. Alternatives to consider. Before you decide to withdraw from StashAway, consider if there are other ways to access your money. For example, could you cut back on expenses or find a way to generate additional income instead of tapping into your investments? The takeaway. Withdrawing from StashAway is an option, but it comes with potential fees and tax implications. Before you pull the trigger, make sure you understand the costs involved and explore alternative solutions. Remember, StashAway is a long-term investment vehicle. Think carefully about your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any withdrawal decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep investing wisely.